Okay, so we have an 09 Acura RDX pink edition, customized. I didn't work on this one, my brother did. Customer said it wouldn't start. They jump started it. I think they jump started it backwards, blew the main fuse by the battery, put it in, it started up once and wouldn't start again. So go ahead and try and start it. Crank's fine, but won't start. No Immobilizer codes.
But the light flashes.
But the security light flashes. Now, show us what you did to fix it. So what'd you take off?
The bedazzled key ring that goes around the ignition switch.
That's pretty fancy. And it also caused a no start. Thanks for watching. See you next time.